See this guy. Helmet नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. He's
देख तमाशा फेंक पैसा देख तमाशा
honking and asking me to turn.
मुझा काका आया ए मुके मिलिए वे गरव्या रे मुझा काका आया ए मुके मिलिए वे गरव्या रे मुझा काका आया ए मुके मिलिए वे गरव्या रे मुझा काका आया.
So hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. As you can see, I'm wearing the new helmet and it's pretty comfortable, and I'm trying to bend it, mold it a bit, let the memory foam wash into the shape of my head. So today's vlog is actually gonna be about the last ride I went. I went for the last night ride. It was almost a midnight ride, and there was some glitch in the camera. That was the reason why I couldn't vlog. I mean record hua, but there was some glitch, as you can see. But I'll try, and from the next frame you'll be able to see the pics and the videos which were uploaded on the bikers group, which were taken on the phone actually. So I hope you like the photos and videos, and there was a big glitch. That was the reason why I didn't upload that vlog. And I'm trying to get used to the new helmet. Let's see how does this video turn out. I hope there's no glitch in this video also. I don't know what's happening. It's taking a lot of time to set into a new helmet, changing the camera angle and everything. So actually I was the one who initiated the ride, guys, for the night ride. But in the group 7 to 8 people turned up, but when I reached the meeting point was around night 10 or something. So but then when I reached the meeting point, there were around 15 bikes or so. I was like, what the hell is this? So guys, I just want to thank you for supporting me. Just don't forget to subscribe. I just want you to subscribe to the channel and share the video too. Don't forget to like the video also. So guys, I just want to tell about the night ride. We had a city run only in the last video, but I couldn't upload. But there were few shots which I could upload. That's it, which I've seen in the previous screen before. So it was a city run. There were many bikes, Hayabusas, the 10R. There was a 1250 GS. I have uploaded many short clips, videos and photos. So guys, don't forget to check them out. And I even did miss the Sunday morning ride because I was very disappointed because of the glitch happening in the camera because of the new helmet.
Meanwhile,
So guys, there's a पता नहीं, I'm getting kind of for attention मिल रहा है because of the helmet या पता नहीं, people are noticing my camera like they never noticed before, but like as you see in the previous signal, there was people honking and asking me to turn to show the camera, and there's one family on the left also now wanting to see my camera. So it's maybe because of the helmet guys, or I don't know, I noticed it for the first time maybe. लोग कैमरा देख रहे हैं. And I just want to tell, Vizag का traffic is like shit guys. मतलब कोई कहीं भी चलता है, कभी भी रुक जाता है, ऑटो वाला कहीं पे भी मुड़ जाता है, बाइक वाला कहीं से भी रुक जाता है, बाइक कार वाले मोमेंट पे कैसे भी रोक देते हैं. I don't know what's happening guys. There's strict traffic rules of Vizag. People on the highway, बस आ रही है, रोड पे zebra crossing है नहीं है, बस क्रॉस करना है उन्हें. They form in groups and they come on the highway. Oh, the second car without a mirror. What's happening guys? See, like they form groups over here. अगर एक दो कार छोटी दिखेगी, they just move on the group and अगर कुछ हो जाता है, so they just argue in groups. You can't do anything. It's like it's almost 1:15 का रेशियो में आ जाते हैं लोग. They live nearby these places. They cross the roads over here. पता नहीं guys यहाँ का क्या है. And this is the main highway of Visakhapatnam. पता नहीं क्या सोचते हैं इन लोग कि पता नहीं. दे वॉक एज दे वॉकिंग इन द पार्क में चलते हैं जैसे लगता है इन लोग को. एंड दे आर फकिंग हर्डल्स एवरीवेयर. हर जगह हर्डल है, पता नहीं क्यों लगाए हर्डल. रात में ट्रकों के लिए लगाए तो ठीक है, मगर अभी भी लगा के रख देते हैं. मालूम नहीं क्यों इतने हर्डल लगाए हुए हैं. पहले पीपल हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ themselves. पहले अपना आप को सुधारो. सी दिस गाय सिग्नल इव्वाम्मा बोलता. पहले अपना आप को सुधारो. कहीं पे भी कभी भी कोई भी मुड़ जाता है कहीं से भी. सी दैट गाय सामने सिग्नल में पुलिस वाला वहाँ आराम से बैठ के बात कर रहा है. उसको यहाँ रहना चाहिए बट नो, वो आराम से वहाँ अपना फ़ोन देखते हुए. And whenever some minister comes or something happens, they are like, see this guy. हेलमेट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, he is just gone. I don't know from where did he even come. ये क्या हो क्या रहा है? रेड सिग्नल ही क्यों है भाई? वो क्यों खड़ा हुआ है? उसको ड्यूटी के पैसे भी ही इज लाइक हाँ ठीक है, यू लेके निकल जाते हैं. I don't know guys what's happening. People just go whenever they feel like. अब ये साइकिल वाला भी निकल जाएगा. See? वो अपने बाप का रोड समझ के जा रहा है. I don't know guys what's happening in Vizag. There's no rules, strict rules, bro. लुकिंग समवेयर कहीं और देख के लाइक भाई बच्ची को ताड़ते हुए इज कमिंग, इज नॉट इवन टर्निंग, इज नो हेलमेट, नथिंग. पता नहीं क्या.
पैसा देख तमाशा फेंक, पैसा देख तमाशा फेंक.
Thank you for using this ATM.
Yo, that was creepy. That was the first machine maybe which I saw who sounds or has the speech feature in it. So guys, I'm back into my area. Let's start it up. Start it up. So guys, I'm headed back home right now. और अगर वीडियो अभी तक देख रहे हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक करके जाना यार वीडियो को, और चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं आया तो कर लेना अगर नहीं किया है तो. So this is Fastto signing off for this vlog. That's it for today's vlog, and stay tuned guys. So guys, stay tuned for more vlogs, and I'm pretty sorry for being very inactive, and I'll be active from nowadays guys.